Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to build a gaming PC for just under $200. Stay tuned.
If you want to support this channel and help different charities and different causes like the Melodic Caring Project and the Planned Parenthood Project, then all you have to do is basically head to the top of the description. You'll find an affiliate link. All you have to do is head to that link, download Streamlabs OBS and install it, log in, and you got yourself the best streaming application used by Ninja and all of the famous streamers for absolutely free, with actually helping charities and different causes.
Now, I'm not a PC building expert, I'm just sharing an idea over here and it is up to you to take action upon this idea. How do you get a gaming PC that plays Fortnite for under $200, you might be asking? Well, the idea is to get a pre-built Dell desktop with a decent CPU and slap a good graphics card on that bad boy. Why is this idea so good, you might be asking? Well, if you manage to find a good deal to get a pre-built office machine, then you would get a motherboard, RAM, CPU and a CPU cooler, also a power supply for a very cheap price. Then all you have to do is to start searching for either a new or used graphics cards depending on how much money you have left. Personally, I think this is one of the best and smartest ways of getting a gaming PC for such a low budget, as low as $200. You could even try to get your hands on a pre-built desktop for free. Maybe your family has one, or maybe you have one just laying around in your garage right now. With a budget as small as this, you have to make most of all that you have. Right, maybe you couldn't find one for free now. Well, just hop on eBay. With some research you could find a good deal. For example, it took me literally 15 minutes to find this Dell Opticless desktop tower. This desktop tower that I have found has an i3-2120, which is a pretty decent CPU for a budget PC build. And it also has 500GB of HDD storage. Also, it has only 4GB of RAM, but that could be enough to play most of the games on low settings. And turns out the seller offers a free copy of Windows 7 Professional 64-bit, which is a plus. The only downside to getting used hardware is that you might find some scratches on the side of the desktop case, or maybe some scratches on the parts themselves, but what matters is that the hardware works. Alright, now that you have yourself a working tower that is powered by a decent CPU and a decent amount of RAM, you are going to need a graphics card. In my example over here, this Dell tower is worth $79.95, and this particular seller ships for free in the US, which is amazing. So that's a computer that comes right to your doorstep for free. Now, if your seller doesn't offer free shipping, maybe see if you can arrange to pick it up yourself so you can get it for free, or maybe you can set up your own shipment so it costs you way less than the seller is asking for, which can lower the cost of the build. Now we are left with a Dell tower and $120.05. All we need right now is a good graphics card, and a good graphics card that I have found is a used GTX 1050 Ti. This bad boy sells for around $90, as you could see, and $10 for shipping. The GTX 1050 Ti is a pretty awesome GPU, seeing that it doesn't need any additional power, which is really good for our build. And like that, we have our example completed. A full budget gaming PC that is capable of playing Fortnite for $180. And we have $20 to spare now that you can use to buy anything else, or maybe save it for a rainy day. Anyways guys, this is our budget gaming PC build. I hope this video has been informative and that it helped you in any way possible. If so, then be sure to leave a like on today's video. Also, hit that subscribe button to help me reach 2,000 subscribers by the end of this month. And with that being said, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.